In this video guys, I'll be telling you how to get back, how to get the App Store back on your iPad. So if you're not being able to see your App Store guys on your home screen, you can see over here whether the whether your Play Store guys or App Store is over here or not. So right now I can see my App Store guys over here, but if you're not being able to see the App Store over here guys, then just go to your settings. So you have to just go to your setting guys, and now you have to scroll down and go to your screen time, and now come over here and tap on this content and privacy restrictions. Now tap on this iTunes and App Store purchases and tap on this. Just check whether this installing app is set as allow or not. If it is not allowed, just choose allow from here and make sure it is it has been set as allow. Now once you've done that, now if the problem is still persist guys, you can do one more thing here. Just go to general, and from here you can search for, tap on this transfer and reset iPad and tap on reset option, and now guys you can tap on reset home screen layout. So just tap on it and tap on reset button to confirm it guys. If you do this, so your App Store guys icon will be come back to your application guys or home screen guys. Yeah, that's how you can do it guys. More video till then, bye.